Hi folks, this is Jan.Paul here in Bonita National. Lennar's year-end sale is around the corner and I have some great inventory. This is my Isabella, 28044 Edenderry Court. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 2246 square feet under air. The original price of this home was $542,936. It is on sale for $497,522, 10 grand towards closing costs. So you're looking at a savings of $45,000 plus. This is a great home. Let's go take a look. We have brick on the front, which is lovely. This home is a Wi-Fi certified home by Amazon. You're going to have your Ring doorbell. As you can tell when we walk in, you're going to have plank flooring throughout, so this is an upgrade. And as we turn the corner, we've got one of our bedrooms here. Guest bathroom. Front bedroom, and this pocket's off. This is really nice, guys, because then your friends, family, guests can have a little bit of privacy if they needed to. Great little feature. This is really nice entrance, great greeting area. Your laundry room is off to the side. It also pockets. Washer and dryer are included. They're just not installed at the moment. This is your garage. Tons of room. This garage floor, anywhere else, it would be an upgrade to pay. This is standard feature with us, which is going to have that snake skin painted epoxy on there. Okay, this is your den or 4th bedroom. What's nice about this, it will have the French doors with glass, but there is a huge closet kind of hidden back here, which is wonderful. This whole community is impact glass. There are no shutters. And then all of your windows, except your sliders, will have blinds, so that is provided. Okay, so open concept. This would be your dining room right in through here. There are 5 tray ceilings, as you can see. And here's the front. So the first tray ceiling is going to be right here. Great door, nice window, bringing all that light. Open concept. I'm standing on the dining room table, well, where it would be. And look at that kitchen. You will have your refrigerator in, it's just not installed. There is a Keurig in the refrigerator, by the way, so you can have K-Pods in there, which is really cool. That little piece up there is your WAP. You're going to have wireless. It kind of spreads it throughout the home, and that is a standard feature with Lennar. The rounded corners are bullnose. That is standard with us also. Impact sliders. This is upgraded agreeable gray paint. Everything in here is Sherwin-Williams. Master bedroom. Really big master bedroom. Will hold tons and tons of oversized furniture. This is your bathroom. 2 very large closets on both sides for his and hers, or all just hers, just depends, or just his. So, hi folks. This right here is going to be split sinks, soaking tub, shower. That is your water closet, to give you an idea. Really nice, comfortable bathroom. Gives everybody a little bit of space. And then we're going to step outside here. So this is your outdoor kitchen and your pool area. Beautiful, beautiful Bull Equipment outdoor kitchen. That is going to be, that vents up and out, by the way, folks. That's great. That's going to be your little mini fridge, which is wonderful for when you guys entertain or any beverages. Your pool, this is the baby gate. It would come down after purchase. So you're gonna have your pool, hot tub, great view. So folks, it's about 10:30 in the morning. This faces northwesterly, which is great. The sun's gonna start creeping into the pool. You will have sun in your pool all day long. Nice privacy from your neighbors. And again, this house is ready to go. Just give me a call, 239-464-5288. And again, it was $542,963. It is on sale for $497,522. 10 grand towards closing costs, so that's a 45 plus savings. All right, folks. One more shot of the inside. Great, great house. Upgraded plank. Also got the plug in the floor. How can you miss that? These are hazelnut cabinets. All are upgraded cabinetry, built-in appliances, wood shelving everywhere. All right, folks. Thanks. Give me a call. Jan.Paul.